Hello, my name is Lance Hartung. In this video, I'll be introducing some of the key features of the EasyVizAR web-based command dashboard. The landing page for the dashboard is this list of locations. A location is any place that an incident may be taking place, such as a building. Our server has a number of locations already, because this is our testing and development server. We'll create a new one for this tutorial. So I will name it tutorial. Then, if we click on this location, we go to the location information page. Initially, the location information page will be empty. We'll begin to populate it with data as soon as we send in a headset to scan the environment. However, before we can do that, we'll need to create and print a QR code for the headset to scan. So we'll click on this location QR code button, and this gives a unique QR code for the location. You can see it contains the location ID. We'll print this, and then so I've printed our QR code. This will serve as a common origin or anchor point for the headsets. So one and more headsets can scan the same QR code, and they will join the location and share a common coordinate system. They can share information, and it will be consistent across all of the devices. The orientation of the QR code matters, so this will determine the orientation of the map that we create. The orientation will be consistent with the layout of the page, and also you want to place it on a flat horizontal surface. So like that. I recommend at about waist height, and you may want to tape it down, because if the QR code were to move even slightly, it would cause misalignment across the data. After someone scans a QR code with a headset, we'll see the headset join the location and begin sending mapping data. So we can watch the map being created in real time on the dashboard. I'll just speed up the video a bit until the map is complete. This is what the map should look like, roughly, after the user has finished scanning the environment. We see that the person is also placing some markers on the map to annotate important landmarks.
And there's the search team. Nice.
So suppose we want to give directions to the person with the headset. There are a couple ways we can do that. One is to add a feature marker to the map. So I'll place a waypoint marker. And similar to creating features in the headset, this will appear on all of the headsets in the same location. The other way we can give directions is to give a path. So I'll select the search team and the target that we just made. It's a navigation path. And I'll just start clicking some points on the map. And this path will be sent to that particular headset. It'll appear as a line on a map and on the floor that the user can follow. Now we see that the user has reached the target location. Let's take a quick look at some of the information on the location page. So the headsets table shows the list of headsets currently on the scene. We can enable editing of a row. We can change the name or the headset icon color. Please note that the remove button will indicate that the headset is no longer in the location. The trash or delete icon will permanently delete all of the data associated with the headset. So if we remove it, it indicates the headset's no longer here, but it will join again if it rescans the QR code. Next, the features table shows the map icons that were either placed by a headset or through the dashboard. We can also edit these. We can change the name, the color, the type will affect how it's displayed. Also, when we're editing a feature, we can go back to the map and click to put it in a new location. So you see I just moved the store icon. And these can be deleted as well. So you may have noticed the photo table on the page. We can also capture photos from the headsets. This is turned off by default because of performance and space reasons, but if we wanted to enable that, we can click on the headset, scroll down to the device configuration section. Most of these are for testing, but we can enable the photo capture mode with this drop-down, and we'll set it to continuous, so it'll try to capture a photo every few seconds. Make sure to save changes. And now, after the configuration is set, we'll have the headset rescan the QR code. So now we see photos coming in from the camera and also automatic object detection. If object detection is installed and enabled, we should see some automatically detected objects like chairs. We can also filter on the objects detected in images, so this will show only images with detected chairs. Here's an example. We can see not just the bounding box, also image segmentation results, and where the camera was when the photo was taken.